Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a precise research question because clarity guides every later step. Next, collect 10-20 core sources and export citations so references stay consistent. Then pick an AI stack, a summarizer for papers, a drafting assistant for structure, and a reference manager to sync citations. Start a project folder and a versioned outline file. This gives you a single truth. Once done, prompt the AI with your question and 3 sub-questions to generate an initial outline you can refine. You now build each chapter from small, focused sections so momentum stays high. For each section, instruct the AI to draft with a target length and provide an explicit citation request. This saves searching later. After the draft, edit for argument flow, voice, and logical rigor. AI helps, but you decide claims. Iterate, regenerate weak paragraphs, compare versions, and merge the best parts. Make sure to track changes and notes so you can explain methodological choices in your write-up. You approach finalization by doing a consistency pass. Harmonize terms, verb tenses, and citation style across the document. This improves readability and examinability. Then use AI to craft a concise abstract and a conclusion that lists 2 or 3 distinct contributions. State why they matter. For troubleshooting, if the AI hallucinates or contradicts sources, isolate the problematic paragraph, reprompt with exact quotes and source pages, and regenerate. If deadlines loom, prioritize fixed sections and communicate with your advisor immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.